Hello, in this short video I will show you some techniques by which you can automate the processing of dredging data which is typically captured in Excel sheets. Now we present to you the BricsCAD platform which is compatible with AutoCAD. It's a cost-effective DWG based platform on which we are going to do the processing. So I'm using a plugin called GeoTools which we have developed, which has a module called Geological and Mining Tools, and under that, under Borehole Tools, I'm going to click on Lithology tool, which allows you to draw the lithology in different ways. So this is a general purpose program which also supports mining and geological operations. So I'm going to click on the dredging data here and click OK. So here I'm going to specify the Excel sheet and the strata parameter file. So click on this Excel sheet and the strata parameter file is also chosen. Strata parameter file tells you how to show the strata of the borehole, and there's also an option where you can specify the column numbers in your Excel sheet. So let me show you the Excel sheet. So we have a typical sample here which is used by the industry, and you can configure it the way you want it because all these column numbers are configurable. So if your Excel happens to be a little different, it can be easily accommodated. So each borehole is a separate sheet within this Excel workbook, and we are going to import this in one shot and create the borehole logs. Click OK here, click start point. Now you can see that it's reading each sheet and it creates the borehole cross section as it goes through every sheet. So you can see the boreholes are classified by color and with the appropriate symbols, annotation, and we now have two viewports already created here. So this viewport you can see has the borehole details, the depth and the soil classification and all the standard terminology of notation. And over here this is a 3D representation. So you can see the seabed point is shown here, and this is the depth from the seabed to the chart data. And over here you can see the 3D representation of the strata. So typically these kind of workflows would require expensive software to cost thousands of dollars, but we have made it available to you under BricsCAD, and it's a very cost-effective way, and it's a made in India product. So we are the developers for this product, so we are able to customize and fine-tune it as per your requirements very easily. If you have more questions, I would be happy to connect with you during the Q&A session, and I'm available during the 2 days of conference here. You can reach out to me anytime. Thank you.